Cheers and welcome to Bitter Reality Brewing. I know you're like, why is he holding a Pliny the Elder? I was sitting on MoreBeer's website and I'm sitting there going, man, they've got all these cool kits and at really good prices on these things. I'm like, oh, duh. It's part of Black Friday. It's 25% off beer kits. Yeah, you know, I'm gonna throw links down below, get you there quick, and maybe throw me a little chump change, which I definitely appreciate. Help support the channel, doesn't cost you a dime. But I remembered I did a poll earlier this year where a lot of you, if not the majority, said you do buy kits from time to time. You modify them, you go as is, you do all kinds of things with the kits. And also sometimes we just get lazy and like, yeah, let somebody else just give me what I need to do. I'll brew it, see how it comes out. And I gotta tell you, every beer kit I've gotten from MoreBeer, I've been impressed. I haven't got a ton, but I've been impressed with every single one that I have done from MoreBeer. And I wanted to share that information with you because I'm thinking if you buy 2 of the really big kits or 3 of the medium kits, that's free shipping, 59 bucks. You know, anything $59 or more is free shipping. And then if you get, you know, really basic stuff like a nice Pilsner, you could probably get 4 kits in there. But I just wanted to share that information with you. And if maybe you're watching this and this isn't for you, you're buying for someone else, this is a great way to have them brew the beer you want to drink. Just saying. Okay, so I'm gonna go over primarily the IPAs, but a few others. And the reason I do the IPAs is because those are the ones that are gonna cost you a lot more to buy everything because you're gonna end up with more than what you really need. And you're gonna pay a premium by the ounce for hops, things like that. So those are the ones that I think are really like the best bang for the buck. So Pliny the Elder, of course, yeah, I brewed it. It's amazing, and I brewed MoreBeer's version, definitely amazing. They have 252 all grain recipe kits, and that's just all grain. They also have extract. They just have so many different kits. It's well over 500. You have fresh pressed IPA, which is Dush's fresh squeezed IPA clone. I like that beer, it's very nice. Blind Pig IPA by Russian River Brewing. Soulless Hop Pale Ale, 3 Floyds Zombie Dust Pale Ale clone. It's not from them, it's a clone. I know some of you are gonna go, but a lot of you like the Brew Blue Moon, if I can speak. And this is a Blue Moon clone called Lunar Shock Wheat Ale. They also have Holiday Ale. It's not a clone or anything, it just sounded really good. I Heart IPA, I know several people who have brewed that and enjoyed it, which is Bell's Two Hearted IPA clone. Holiday Hop IPA, sound familiar? Yeah, it's off the hook this year. Yeah, that's a clone of Sierra Nevada's Celebration IPA, which was freaking great this year. This is empty, sorry. Ugly Fish IPA, which actually I have one of their flash brewing kits for Ugly Fish IPA, and I didn't realize that that is a Ballast Point Sculpin clone. They offer it as that, the Sculpin IPA. They offer it in the grapefruit configuration and the pineapple, which I don't ever think did that well, but I know some people love pineapple. I know Drew does. They have Topped with Hops Double IPA, if I can spit all those words out. That's Alchemist Heady Topper, clone. You have Old Bearded Stout, which is Old Rasputin Russian Imperial Stout. The only stout that Drew ever tried when he was younger and liked. Pompous Ass Ale, which is Stone's Arrogant Bastard Ale, clone. And All Out Brunch Stout, which is, I think, Founder's Breakfast Stout clone. And then they also have Lupulin Leg Drop Triple I, strange name, but it's a Bell's Hop Slam clone. And then the one that I did earlier this year that I could not stop frickin' drinking, and Vito had recommended it to me, which was that cold IPA, and I have a little note to remind me, Hopnosis Cold IPA by Firestone Walker Brewing Company. That was just an amazing cold IPA. If you've never had a good cold IPA, that would be the way to go. And you have to watch the video. I can't remember if it was Nova Lager or if it was Diamond Lager. I think it was Nova Lager, but you have to check. But he recommended it and it worked just perfect. So go check those out. I'll put links down below. I'm updating all the links on the previous beer videos for all the different companies that are having Black Friday sales. I have another Black Friday sale announcement coming out on Thanksgiving for a sale that starts the day after and runs for 4 days with Spike Brewing. Yeah. Keep watching the videos. I appreciate it. And we'll get back to brewing. My area, I'm kind of hiding it right now. It's a big mess because what did I do all day yesterday? I brewed beer. Yeah. Cheers. Happy holidays. Stay safe.